I'm SpeakLikeANative.net, and thank you for watching this video. Today, we're going to continue on from yesterday's video. And so in yesterday's video, we looked at how we use the sound of a spoken vowel to form a syllable in a word. We worked with 1, 2, 3, and 4 syllable words. So today we're going to continue with that, and then I'm going to show you why that is important and why my class is different. My class isn't an English class like any others. It's a very unique class. It focuses on speaking and listening, stress and intonation. So let's begin. Let me grab my magic pen. Okay, so we use the sound of a vowel to form a syllable in a spoken word. And so in the word one, I make one vowel sound. One. Okay. In the word seven, I make two vowel sounds. Seven, and it's a two-syllable word. In the next word, 11, 11, I make three vowel sounds and I have three syllables. Now we have sentences. So a sentence is made up of words that have syllables. So a sentence has a syllable structure, and we use that syllable structure for lots of different things. I call it magic. Okay, but it's the key. The syllable of a sentence is the key to understanding what's being said, the way we stress it. So this first sentence, what is that thing? How many syllables? What is that thing? 4 syllables. Next one, I have to go. 4 syllables, 4 vowel sounds. Next one, it's important. Again, 4 syllables, 4 vowel sounds. And this last sentence, he wants a book. Again, 4 vowel sounds, 4 syllables. Now, I'm going to show you with this last sentence, he wants a book. I'm going to show you why that is important. So in English, in a spoken English sentence, an English speaker is going to usually form stress on one vowel sound inside of a syllable. And that stress is key to understanding what's important to the speaker. Okay? So this sentence here is special. It can be spoken 4 different ways. It can have 4 different meanings. And let me show you how to do it. Okay, in the first usage, I'm going to make the sound of this E. I'm going to make it the longest and clearest sound in the word. My voice is going to increase in pitch when I form that sound. And I'm going to reduce the sounds of the rest of the words in the sentence. So the first usage, he wants a book. And so in that sentence, I'm focused on the pronoun, right? And so in that sentence, I'm more concerned about who. Who wants the book? He wants the book, right? He wants a book. And so I'm going to write who right here, because that's its first usage. Now the second usage, I'm going to make the A in this verb. I'm going to make it the most important sound, the easiest sound to hear. And I'm going to say, he wants a book. It changed, didn't it? He wants a book. So let me show you how my voice works. There you go. So he wants a book. In that sentence, I'm focused on the verb, and so I'm really trying to let the person know that his needs are what's important to me. So let me write needs down. I'm focused on the verb. Okay, the next usage, I'm going to take this article, which is normally a word that we hardly spend any time on it. We usually reduce it to a sound, a schwa, and then, we say it quickly or we link it and we move on. But sometimes a simple word like that can be very important. And so in this case, I'm going to use it to control the quantity of books that he wants. And I'm going to say he wants a book. Notice how I made the true sound. I made that clear A sound. He wants a book. And so to me, that means that we're focused on the quantity. Now, the last usage, this is what people all around the world are taught. They're taught that the subject uses the verb to interact with the object, okay? And that the meaning of a sentence usually falls on the object, right? But in speaking, as you saw, it can be different. But in this case, let me go ahead and put stress on that oo sound in book. So he wants a book, and then my voice will trail off. Okay. And so in that case, we're worried about the object, what he wants, right? He wants a book. So this is just a simple sentence. The sentence isn't designed to be used in this way. It's just a sentence in this lesson, and I like to show people how we use the sound of a vowel in a syllable to let the listener know what's important to us, right? This is an example of stress and intonation. We stress the vowel sound and we use intonation to let the listener know what's important to us. So let me clean that up, and I want to show you another sentence. It kind of summarizes everything that we just went over. So this sentence here, John said his boss is lazy. What does that mean? When I say John said his boss is lazy, it means John's talking and he says his boss is lazy. Okay, let me say it a different way. John said his boss is lazy. I'll repeat it. John said his boss is lazy. Now, the way I said it changed. And so how did the meaning change? Type down in the comments how you think the meaning changed. And now we'll go over it real quick. I'll show you. So John said his boss is lazy. John said his boss is lazy. So let me write the punctuation in. John said his boss is lazy. In the first sentence, John said his boss is lazy. John is saying he has a lazy boss. It means exactly that. In the second sentence, John said his boss is lazy. The meaning changed. John's boss is talking and he's saying John is lazy. And so this is another example of how an English speaker can use stresses and pauses to control the meaning of a sentence. Now, when we write, we can use, we have many tools to convey what's important to us, right? To convey the meaning of a sentence. But when we're speaking, we only have our voice. We don't have a pen that we can write in the air with. We have our voice. And so we use vowel sounds and pauses to control the meaning of a sentence. And it's a very, very powerful way of communicating. Again, because we can't write in the air. All we have is our voice. But we still have to convey the same thoughts as a written sentence. And so this is what I teach. This is how English is spoken. And this is how native speakers use English in speech. And so thank you very, very much for watching today's class. Stay tuned for more tomorrow. And if you liked this class, please like the video and please share. It helps me out a lot. Again, thank you very much. And I'm Robert with SpeakLikeANative.net.